Homeowners and electricians, you don't need to guess wattage or spreadsheet overload. At Power Generator Depot, we size your generator using your electric bill. The easiest, most accurate way to match your power needs. Your electric bill already tells us how much energy you use on an average each month in kilowatt hours. For homeowners, that means no complicated math, just bring your bill. For electricians, this method makes it easier to match a generator to a panel load or recommended upgrades confidently. Here's an example. If your bill averages around 900 to 1200 kilowatt, a mid-range kilowatt generator will handle your essentials like your refrigerator, your light, all of that. And if your bill is around 1800 to 2500 kilowatts, you'll want a larger kilowatt generator model to power your whole home or small shop. Perfect for electricians setting up their permanent backup. All 7 generator models use the same dependable design. What changes is the kilowatt output from smaller units for weekend backup to powerful systems for full home or professional setups. Whether you're a homeowner preparing for outages or an electrician sourcing equipment, we've got your power covered. Homeowners, bring us your light bill, and electricians, send us your specs. Power Generator Depot will match the perfect generator to your needs. 7 power levels, 1 trusted name. Subscribe for more tips. Follow for more tips.